This video is brought to you by Ruko. Hey everybody, Mac here for OCR Kings, and I just wanted to tell you about an upgrade that I just received for my drone. This is the Veeniix V113, an FAA compliant remote ID broadcast module. As you might have seen in an earlier video, we got our hands on the Veeniix V11PRO 4K camera drone. Link to that drone in the description below, and we absolutely love it. Now with the Veeniix V113 remote ID broadcast module, we have a super light way to remain FAA compliant and the ability to find our drone in case we lose sight of it, and that's via the built-in ultra-precision GPS tracking. More on that in a second, but first let me show you what's in the box. Okay, let's open this up and see what we've got. Here's the user manual. We'll put that off to the side. Let's take off the plastic cover here. And we see a USB charging cable, Type-C. Here is a self-adhesive zip tie, one of many options of attaching your module to your drone. We also have 8 self-locking zip ties. As well as Velcro patches. And last but not least, the Veeniix V113 Remote ID Broadcast Module, power and settings buttons, USB-C charging port, and serial number. As you can see, there's a lot in the box and many connection options for getting the module onto your drone. The module is compatible with a wide range of devices, including FPV drones, remote control aircrafts, quadcopters, you name it. There is now an FAA compliance requirement for remote control aircraft over 250 grams. Basically, all drone pilots are required to register their drone in order to operate in accordance with the rules on remote ID. What does that mean? Well, remote ID is the ability of a drone in flight to provide identification and location information that can be received by other parties through a broadcast signal. One way to do this is by using a remote ID broadcast module like the V113. Having a remote ID broadcast module attached, it allows you to broadcast identification and location information about the drone and its takeoff location. The broadcast module can be added to a drone to retrofit it with FAA remote ID broadcast capabilities. The V113 is a completely self-contained unit. It includes an internal battery and GPS tracker. Once registered with the FAA's website, you can simply attach the V113 module to your drone, turn it on, and go fly. The battery takes around 40 minutes to charge and should last for around 5 hours, which is incredible. To configure the module, first download the Veeniix RID app. Find the serial number on your module and register it on the FAA website. Next, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Then press and hold the setting button for 3 seconds to enter settings. Go to your phone and make sure Bluetooth is enabled. Then enter the app and allow Bluetooth authorization. Click on Setting option in the app. Then enter Settings screen and fill in the required information. Click Save. Then restart your module and you're good to go. It's that easy. Attaching the V113 module to your drone is super simple. There are multiple methods to do so, depending on your aircraft type, but I chose to attach it to the front end of the V11PRO. You could also attach it to the back, but the easiest way to do so is to stick 1/2 of the self-adhesive Velcro patches to the top here, Then take the other half and stick it to the back of the module. And boom, it's that simple. Camera's in front, module on top, and when it's time to recharge, it's fully detachable. You plug it in, and away you go. The Veeniix Remote Identification Broadcast Module boasts an incredibly lightweight design, weighing just 13.5 grams, or less than half an ounce. Its compact form factor ensures minimal impact on the installation and flight performance of your device, making it ideal for seamless integration. The Remote ID module can be used continuously for up to 5.1 hours. Additionally, it also supports Bluetooth 4.0 and 5.0 for universal compatibility, ensuring a strong, reliable connection. And with ultra-precise GPS tracking, you can experience unparalleled accuracy with the Remote ID broadcast module, which is equipped with a GPS positioning system to help you locate your drone if you lose sight of it, with an accuracy of within less than 3 meters. And each module has a customer care guarantee. This way you can enjoy 30 days of returns with a 90-day warranty and responsive customer support for all of your drone-related questions and needs. So, keep your drone flying safe and compliant with the Veeniix V113 Remote ID Broadcast Module. Check out the product links in the description below, or for more information, log on to www.ruko.net.